Hey everyone, it's Mr. Cunningham, and let's say we want to put a link into our web page. So to do so, I'm going to use what's called the anchor element, and that starts with opening an anchor tag, and then we're going to use the href attribute. And what the href attribute does is we need to put the destination of our link in some quotation marks. So when I do that, I want to link this to the Sunny Slope web page. So this is the Sunny Slope web page. I'm going to take that web address and I'm just going to paste it in between these quotation marks down here. All right. So what this now does is I started a link with an anchor tag. I have the destination I want the link to go to. And so now I close that opening anchor tag. Whatever comes after this is going to be the actual text that shows up on the screen. So say Sunny Slope High School. And to finish my link, I need to close the anchor tag. So like that. And what this is going to do is it's going to show up and now have a clickable link down here that's going to go to this website. And as you can see, this text what shows up right there. Now, if I want to put this in a sentence, then let's start paragraph element. So I can write and I can say, I am a teacher at, and I want the sentence to say, I'm a teacher at Sunny Slope High School, but I want the Sunny Slope High School to be a clickable link. So all I do is I'm going to do this exact element. I'm going to cut it and I'm going to paste it in there. So I start a paragraph, say I am a teacher at, and then I put in a link. The text that shows up is Sunny Slope High School. I close the link, and the last piece I need to do is I need to close this paragraph element. So I'm going to say /P. Okay, and when we run that, okay, we now have I am a teacher at and Sunny Slope High School. Click it. It's going to take us to this web page.